Mobile Monster. You already know who it is. We're back with another fucking shit. Yeah. So today we're playing Truck-em-all. I don't know who made this game, but we're here and we're playing it. Oh fuck! I forgot to put on airplane mode. Fuck me. Hold on. Just hold on. Alright, there you go. There you fucking go. Alright. Truck-em-all. Now this game is an epic, extreme, totally not awful game. I don't even steer? So this is a game where you drive a fucking car and you don't steer. Are you serious? What the fuck is this? This is Hold a Button game. I love Hold a Button game. It's my favorite game. Bro, look at us go. Look at us fucking go. Hold Button game is best game, bro. AAA. Why do I do this? Why do I even do this? I just love shitty mobile games, bro. I just love it. I upgraded my oil, you know? Cause that's just how it be sometimes. Fuck off. I'm not gonna hold shit, pussy. What the fuck? I don't like shit telling me what the fuck to do. You bitch. Look at me go. Look at me go. I'm just too good. Get it. Get the more trailer. God, all I've ever wanted is more trailer. All I've ever even wanted. I just love more trailer. Oh, dude, look at me making progress. I'm just so good. I'm just so good. Look at this. Now this is what we game for. Look at me go. Why even try when someone this good exists? I am just that good. I fucking hate the little vibration that's happening every time I fucking hold the screen. I feel like you're probably gonna be able to hear that in the fucking video. So this is probably gonna get scrapped anyways. Why am I even playing this shit game? Come on, you're right there. Yeah. No. Haha. Oh my god, you probably hear that in the video. I just realized that vibration probably ruined my whole recording, dude. I fucking love it, dude. Is there a way to fucking turn this shit off? Oh, yeah, there was the whole fucking time. Same with the sound. And I've been being fucking dumb. Too fast. Suck my dick. Your fucking dad's too fast. He comes in like 2 seconds. Shit. Why am I doing this? No. You fucking bitch. Too fast. Shut the fuck up. Fuck your grandma. Oh yeah, I'm so good. Why am I doing this? More trailer. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright. Well, that was Truck-em-all, and I regret every second of playing that. That's a quick uninstall, and I'm gonna go in my life now.